Hi, I'm Helen, and I'm the crochet designer behind the Country Cottage CAL. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to block your patches. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Once the border has been added to your patch if required, it's time to block. To begin, spray the patch so it's damp and lay it on top of the blocking mat. Measure out the patch to the dimensions set out in the pattern. And start to pin the patch in place, starting with the corners. Once pinned, be sure to double check the measurements, then leave to dry.